Hello, children. Today we are going to talk a new topic that is materials, which are metals and non-metals. Let us discuss about them in detail today. Okay, let's go forward. So the first is metals. In these metals, physical properties and chemical properties will be there for each element, whether it is a metal, metalloid, or non-metal. Okay, let us see what are the physical properties. Physical properties means which we can distinguish by looking at them. Those are that type of properties are called as the physical properties. Okay, first one is malleability. It is the property of metals which allows them to be beaten into thin sheets. It is called as a malleability. And see, in your houses, you might have seen sweets which are wrapped in silver foil or aluminum foil. Okay, and then you have seen um, aluminum foil used for wrapping food like chapatis, pulkas whenever you're going out. So that is aluminum foil. That is also a metal. Okay, so these metals, that type of property which the metal can be beaten into thin sheets is known as malleability. Next property is conductivity. What is meant by conductivity? It is a property of metals which allows the current and heat to pass through them easily. So which passes through them easily or called as a conductivity. So you might have seen wires which is wrapped by plastic. In that, what will be there? Copper. Copper is nothing but a metal. Metals will be there inside this, wires. Okay. Next is ductility. It is a property of metals which allows them to be drawn into wires. Wires can be drawn immediately. So such type is called as ductility. Wires can be drawn from metals. That property is called as a ductility. And then sonorous. Sonorosity means the metals. You might have seen bells ringing in a school or else in the temple. So that type of metals are made up of brass. It is called as a brass. It is also a metal. So this property is being having only by metals only. Okay, so lustrous means shining. So for example, if you take any gold metal, so gold metal will be shining in nature. For example, if you look at my chain, so this is made of gold and it is shining in the presence of light, isn't it? So such type of metals which shines in the presence of light, like silver, not only gold, there are many noble metals like silver, platinum, gold. All these are noble metals, which gives lustrous in nature. So these are some of the physical properties of metals. If you take non-metals, these non-metals will not have any such type of characters, like malleability will not be there, which cannot be drawn into sheets. Ductility will be not be there, which cannot be drawn into wires. They are not sonorous, which does not produce any sound. They are not lustrous. They do not shine at all. They do not conduct any electricity or heat. So, inversely, opposite, in contrast to metals. Okay, in the next video, we shall discuss what are the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, is that fine? These are some of the non-metals physical properties, which you think you might have studied in your earlier classes.